Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel already, thank you so much. Let's go to know how to download Microsoft app or any app in laptop. To download apps, you have to go to the start button located in the left lower corner. Who is in the left lower corner, and you will find a search box. Search here. This is search box. This is search box, and search here as store. STORE store. When you store search, you will find Microsoft Store. Then click on open. After clicking, you have to wait. It's opening. It takes too late to open. It's loading. Understand? They're shown an interface, and you have to search on search box. You will find a search box above. That means upper left side, and enter here your available searches. That means what type of app you download. You have to download. I am downloading Filmora app to edit my videos. I type as Filmora. This is second position, and I click here. After clicking, it also lead to open. Yes, it's shown Filmora, and you will find it. Yes, it is Filmora app. Then install here. Click here. After clicking, it will go for download. You have to take some times to load it. It's downloading. Yes, it's processing. Yes, it have to. Yes, after completion, there will be interfaces. You will click on remind me later. Understand? Okay. Click on remind me later. After, there are too many options. What kind of video you have to make? So you will be able to mark on 3 options only. So mark on 3 options which you suitable for you. Okay, I mark as 3. It should be open. This is the process of download any app, any kind of app in laptop. Thank you so much.